Hi guys, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a tech tip. I'm going to show you how to fix your computer's internet connection or how to troubleshoot your computer's internet connection if it says no connection. This is just a few easy steps that you need to follow. So first we're going to click on the internet icon at the bottom. As you can see, there's no internet. Click on Diagnose Network Settings. Now we're going to expand this page so you guys can get a full view of how to go about it. Now as you can see, there are a few simple steps that we need to follow. Guys, this will get your internet running in less than 5 minutes if you follow these steps correctly. So the first thing you're going to do is move closer to your router. So you're going to move your router closer to your computer or your computer closer to your router to find out if it is indeed a internet connection error due to you being far away. All right, so that's the first on the list. The next is restart the Wi-Fi network adapter. So you're going to click on Restart Now. This will restart all of the components and properties within your Wi-Fi network adapter that's built into your computer. So if that is a problem, and I know on some computers this is the case, it will definitely reset it, restart it, and in some cases your problem is solved just on the second step only, guys. So this is very simple. You don't need to call anyone. You can do this yourself. If that does not help, after resetting your Wi-Fi network adapter, you're going to restart your modem, router, or access point. Now this is to rule out the possibility of internet connection coming from your router, guys. Once that's done and you still don't have internet connection, you're going to restart your PC. Now the second step, and this is the fourth step, work together. So you're going to click on your Windows icon, you're going to go power button and click on restart. This is going to restart your PC, and again with the second step, this is going to solve your problem quickly. This usually fixes the issue, restarting the Wi-Fi network adapter and your computer. If you need help, there's a QR code there. However, if you follow these steps, there'll be no need for you to go on that icon, all right? Once all of that's done and you're still not winning with your internet connection, you're now going to click on Restart the Wi-Fi device. Now, guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Now, if your internet connection has still not been restored and repaired, this is another option that's going to pop up which says reset the Wi-Fi device. So you're going to click on reset device. This is going to reboot and reset your Wi-Fi enabled device so that it can troubleshoot and work effectively, restoring your network connection. The last step, guys, is to connect a different Wi-Fi network. Again, this will work with checking your modem or router or your access point. If you choose a different network, this will also rule out the possibility of your internet connection not being transmitted from your router. Now, you may have an internet signal on your router, however, there is no data being uploaded or downloaded. So try a different network and that may help. Now, as you can see, guys, after trying multiple steps to restore my network connection, I now have a successful Wi-Fi connection that has been restored, and now we can go ahead and start using our internet